Hello everyone, this is a steel slag processing production line. Here is the storage bin followed by a vibrating feeder underneath. The vibrating feeder evenly transports the material to the belt conveyor. The model of this ball mill is 1.5 meters in diameter and 5.7 meters in length. After the ball mill processes the steel slag, the material is sent to a grinding head screen. The screened material falls into this buffer tank. While the oversized material from the screen is discharged onto the belt conveyor over there, separating out the iron lumps. Underneath this belt conveyor is a magnetic roller which operates at a relatively high speed. This is to achieve precise sorting of the granular material. The separated material here is commonly referred to as blackhead, which is iron granules with a relatively low yield rate. On the other side, you can see the iron granules with a higher yield rate. The steel granules we are observing now have a very high yield rate, about 92%. Due to the dim lighting, the visual effect might not be ideal, but the actual results are quite satisfactory. If you are interested in steel slag processing, feel free to contact me.